Welcome to Stoney Creek Falls in Far North Queensland Australia. Today's adventure is this amazing waterfall hidden in the dense rainforest. Up here we get a close-up view on how high this waterfall actually is. Crossing over to the other side, we get a great view, but we also get to see where the water runs down under the bridge and straight into more dense rainforest. We are currently standing on top of the Kuranda Train Line Bridge, which connects from Cairns to Kuranda. Moving down underneath the train bridge, we get a scale on how small this bridge is compared to the waterfall. This bridge was originally built back in the 1890s and is exactly 80 meters tall. So it's safe to say that the waterfall here is double that or even triple that of the bridge. Down here we also get a magical little swimming hole which is perfect for relaxing in. Just be careful when you're jumping in. There are several rocks hidden under the water and my friend Ash was lucky enough to find one. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Stoney Creek Falls.